Hi, I'm Renu Nim and I'm the founder of the first kombucha brand of Lucknow. It's called Nim's Kombucha. And I think the inspiration, I believe everybody should be happy and healthy. I'm an architect by education. I did study of architecture from Lucknow itself. But the idea of kombucha is that's something that I got from Goa. I used to live in Goa for a short while and there was this angelic personality. He got me introduced to this magic. Okay, so for a short span when I lived in Goa, I was a tenant at somebody's place. Dimitri was his name, a Russian guy. And just Russian communities, they have a lot of fermented beverages which are, made at home itself. So, वो अपने घर पे छोटे से एक jar में he used to make a drink. I never asked him questions about what is it, although I always used to look at it like क्या रखा हुआ है अलग सा. But one fine day, he introduced me to it. He's like, so I have a habit of, drinking chamomile tea in the night. रात को थोड़ा chamomile tea पी के थोड़ा शांति से नींद आती है, अच्छी नींद आती है. He used to see me do the same every day. He asked me कि यार तू गोवा में रह के you don't grab a beer, you don't roll a cigarette, and instead you go for tea. And he made me realize कि आप कोई भी चीज अगर packaged लेते हैं तो वो किस जगह से क्या मटेरियल से सोर्स करके आ रही है, you have no idea about it. So I think that was my turning point. बंदे ने मुझे kombucha try कराया. I honestly am telling you I didn't like it initially. I'm telling you also you might not like the taste around, but it did work. And I think उस दिन से लेकर आज तक हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. It's become like a staple in my life. Process is very simple. I think एक 10 साल का बच्चा भी कर सकता है. We take few liters of distilled water. We take a little bit of tea concentrate, sugar. तो basically 3 ingredients होते हैं. But the most critical ingredient that is used here is kombucha culture. So we make sugar, water, tea concentrate, and we add a little bit of old kombucha as well, original kombucha. That is what we do for first fermentation. But अगर मैं आपको first fermentation का kombucha try कराऊंगी, you are not going to like it at all. I mean, in fact, it's pretty famous out there in the US and European countries. They have a saying, yeah, kombucha is all healthy and everything, but it tastes like piss. It does. So that is where my brand comes into action. For the second fermentation, we have made blend of fruits and spices together to make it suitable for Indian taste palette. And I think that is where our brand, stands apart. So we have 6 different flavors in our brand. Most of them are, towards a lot of fiber and fruity side, like citrus side. Just say we have mandarin zest, we have beetroot melon. But I think my favorite is banana punch because usko experiment karne mein काफी time लगा. I'll tell you why. Banana has a lot of, milky consistency. Having anything fruity or having anything citrus it's very easy to be made. Banana on the other end, I mean, it took me some time to experiment, and the harder it gets, the better it is. So as of now, I don't know about the rest of the brands that there are in the market, but we as Nim's Kombucha, we have started the first detox cafe in Lucknow, and I'm sure the first detox cafe pan India. So the idea is कि आज तक हम लोग बाहर कहीं खाना खाने के लिए जाते थे. But I see that in the future and the kind of lifestyle we guys are looking at, आने वाले टाइम पे detox करने के लिए भी बाहर निकलना होगा. Because no matter what, आप कितना टाइम फोन पे लगे हुए हो, you need to have, you need to go out of your home, you need to go around, and of course you meet your friends and family around cafes and all. So why not, get yourself healthy at the same time instead of I don't know what junk you're fueling up. As an architect, I practice sustainability firsthand and I've been doing it for the past 10 years. And that's something I've realized कि अगर हम लोग इस planet का ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे तो फिर आने वाला future, आने वाले, our the next of generations, they are going to bear with the consequences. So taking that in respect, I think sustainability काफी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. We source our product from the local markets and we reuse our bottles, like our bottles are glass bottles. So we are not, we are not using any single-use plastic or a single-use aluminum can. I think that is where we are being sustainable on our own. So I think एक health community तो already exist करती है. Even in Lucknow, for that matter, I say. I mean, being very honest, I don't think so the generation above us were health conscious much. they were more conscious about their babies and how their life will turn out. But अब जब हम उनके बच्चे बड़े हो चुके हैं, I think our generation, I'm sure your friend goes to gym or has a healthy diet plan or something like that. So we are striking to that community, and slowly we are grabbing members to our community. There are few regulars who come to the cafe every now and then. Akele aake, they come around, they sip a bottle of kombucha, and that's about it. It plays a major role. I mean, it's become my go-to drink. I can't live without kombucha. अगर मैं एक दिन भी मिस कर जा रही हूँ, I mean, although it doesn't affect my body because the good bacteria वो मेरे gut के अंदर एक colony बना के रखा हुआ है. So even if I miss it for one day, it's fine. But I would not want to. So I think it's an all-time, all-season thing. आप डेली शाम को इंडिया में चाय तो पीते हैं. आप उस चाय की जगह अगर हम कुछ हेल्दी लेकर आ सकते हैं, there is also चाय. बस ये नए जमाने की थोड़ी ठंडी चाय. And I would also suggest like something that I've realized it in my own life. So I got kombucha. I got introduction to it around 7 years back. 7 साल हो गए. I'm gonna be 36 this year, and for some good reason it doesn't show. So I think the bacteria does work, and I'm sure it'll work on you as well. तो Ozempic या फिर और जो injections आ रहे हैं, let's not go towards that. We still have something organic and healthy that you can, stop your age. I don't think so I can disclose them as of now, but we are planning to expand our little cafe with a lot of goodies, with a lot of merchandising, and a lot of organic leather products as well. Now go search it on Google. What does kombucha do with leather? Okay, so there is this female that I follow on Instagram. I don't know her name. I know the name of her channel. It's called Edible Alchemy. And she does a lot of fermentary. I mean, she gets a lot of sauerkraut, kvass, and a lot of fermentation products. So yes, I mean, given a chance, I would love to go to Berlin. Do it now. I want more people, at least here in Lucknow. Trust me, we won't be contenders. We will be walking hands in hands, because at this stage where we are right now, awareness is the first. जितने ज्यादा ब्रांड्स इस बात को लखनऊ में स्प्रेड कर पाएंगे, उतना आई थिंक हम सबके लिए बेटर है. बिकॉज लुकिंग एट द लाइफस्टाइल्स वी आर लिविंग, आई थिंक प्रोबायोटिक्स और एक फंकी ड्रिंक का प्रोबायोटिक वुडंट लाइक दैट. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, सी आई नो इट विल साउंड अ लिटिल फनी, बट आप कभी ये चीज सोचो कि अगर हम 2 दिन नहीं खाएंगे, बॉडी किसी ना किसी तरह से रिट्रीव कर लेती है, बट अगर 2 दिन नहीं निकाले बहुत दिक्कत आएगी. So I think getting toxins out of your body is the first and foremost thing. अगर आप healthy खाना खा रहे हो, अगर आप health practices कर रहे हो, if you're making yoga, if you're going to gym, if you're running, but उसके बाद भी आपकी body के अंदर अगर toxication है, तो वो फायदा नहीं करेगा. So I think kombucha का जो first benefit है, that is it releases the toxins out of your body, so that other practices जो आपकी health oriented हैं, वो उस चीज के लिए थोड़ा सा impact. As I said before, even if you are doing a lot of health practices, but if you are not removing toxins from your body, it is not going to work. Well, personally, 7 years going through, and for some reason I don't look like 35, but with my customers, yes. I mean, there have been people जिनको शायद 5th day में ही उनकी overall energy के difference पता चल गया है, and that is only because you're getting a lot of good bacteria which supports your digestive system. There are a lot of other health benefits also. It regulates your blood cholesterol level, it regulates your blood pressure level, it regulates your blood sugar level. तो अगर आज की लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से आपके अंदर इस टाइप की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, या फिर आपकी जेनेटिक्स में इस टाइप की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, I would suggest you switch to it right away. Okay, so if you talk about my routine, सुबह के टाइम पे आर्किटेक्चर के बाद जब एनर्जी एकदम डाउन होने लग जाती है ना 4 बजे, we all go for a sip of chai. At least here in India, at least here in Lucknow. So I think मैंने वहाँ पे छोटा सा modification किया है, that I'm switched to a little bit of health juice in the evening, which gives me energy for the rest of my day, which is for the leisure purposes. So I did it once. I made a salad dressing out of kombucha. I know it's going to sound like funny, you guys. But I've tried it. I mean, it's still not on our menu as of now. But for a personal party that I hosted for a few of my friends, I made a salad. And उस dressing के अंदर I put a little bit of kombucha to try and experiment. Oh, the way it turned out. I mean, you tell me, do you want any special day or occasion to be healthy in your life? Do it daily. Because एक दिन जिम करके कोई फायदा नहीं होता. एक दिन जिम करके कोई मसल्स नहीं बनती. You have to do it daily. Incorporate in your life. See how you feel. कई सारे लोग हैं जिनको मॉर्निंग में खाली पेट पसंद आता है. कई सारे लोग हैं जो अपने खाने के साथ इसको यूज कर रहे हैं. कई सारे लोग हैं जो मेरी तरह शाम की चाय को चेंज करके kombucha पे स्विच हो चुके हैं. और अगर इनमें से भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो रात को दवाई की तरह आधा बॉटल पी के सो जाओ, so that morning you can release your toxins. Yes, I have. I am guilty of using kombucha as skincare regime. And I'm sure आने वाले टाइम पे future में you will have a lot of products which have kombucha as a base for your skincare. So yes, I have made a little face pack using the same, as it is rich in antioxidants, as it is rich in a lot of good microbes. So I think अगर कोई चीज आपकी बॉडी में अंदर जाने के बाद हेल्प कर रही है तो वो आपके फेस पे एक्सटर्नली भी हेल्प करेगी. So yes, I've definitely been guilty for the same, and the results were not bad. I think the future is pretty bright because, as I told you before also, the generation above us, they never really took care of our health. Our generation, we are going to gyms, we are pretty conscious about what we are putting in our body, what we are eating, and the kind of lifestyle habits that we happen to have. So I'm looking at, I would like to see n number of kombucha brewers, kombucha brands, even in my own city, for the health benefits for the rest of the people. Oh yes, I have given a small, I've given a little ideology of the product line and the kind of experimentation that we are going on with our brands. So hold on to it. Right now, let's start with kombucha. Share it with your friends. Share this health recipe with your friends. Even if you want to do it yourself, try and do it. If you can't, we definitely are experimenting. Every now and then, I mean, if you can innovate a new fruit, come to me with it. I'll be happy to, make kombucha out of it. So I've experimented all kinds of flavors. Out of 6 that we have in our market as of now, I think मैंने कम से कम 25-30 flavors के साथ experiment किया. I've been traveling around and, picking fruits, natural flavors, natural fruits, natural masala, spices. Experimented with all of them, and yes, practice years and years of practice.